Hello everyone, in this video we'll try to learn how to add a video as background using Blender Video Editor. So let's just open up Blender Video Editing workspace. So there are two things. One first is when we want to have a background video, right? We have to do is that I just open up first Blender Video Editing and then there's a video in this location. So I want to have this as a background. So what I'll do, I'll just import this here and then I'll just type Shift S to align to playhead. So whichever the background video, right? You make sure that it is below, and then there is a video which I have this one with the green screen. So I'll just import on top of above. I'll select these and then maybe keep this channel and type Shift S to align it here. So now what I have to do is that I'll just right click and then set preview range to strips. So I'll do it. So because this video, right, if you see it is having additional videos, I don't want this stuff, right? So what I'll do, right click and then set preview range to strips so that we'll get to know what is the end frame. It is 77. So we will do last rate 77 only end frame so that it comes as a background of this video. To add as a background, right? So the best thing is to use composition. So I will go to and then general and then composition. So here first, once you open it, this is composition menu. So what you have to do, you have to just click on use nodes and then delete these two nodes. So I'll tell you what all nodes you need to add. First is movie clip because we want background as a video, right? So what I'll type shortcut is Shift A and then type movie clip and then just align it here. And because in this scenario both are videos only, so just want to show you this one. If I go, this is also video and this is also video, right? So that's what we'll select one more time, Shift A and then type movie clip because there are two videos only. We have to add one more. I'll type Shift A again and then this time, right, what you have to do, you have to add Chroma Key. So maybe align it here and then Shift A again, type alpha over, you have to type and then keep maybe here. Next is add composite. I'm typing Shift A again, composite, maybe align here. And the last one, right, viewer node I'll add. So viewer node to view what is happening in the background. So that's what I add viewer node every time. So I'll just keep it here. So now let's just align and then import the videos here. So first video is, right, what I'll do here, I will take as a background one. So just click on open and then go to this location and then I'll copy this. So this is the background video. So I'll just click on that. So now if you see, right, it will preview here. So it came up here. So again, we'll click on open here and then I have copied that location, right? And then where is my green screen video? This is the green screen video. So I'll add this. So it came up here, preview. This is done. So once what you have done, right? Now I'll select this image and then so you have to attach this and then here is a key color, right? So you have to select on this section and then click on this eyedropper and then select on this green color, so that because we don't want green color, right? So that's what we will do this. And then just select this image. Make sure you first go select this and then you have to align it to down. Make sure that it is down and then this image, right, I'll link it from to this top. So this is one thing you need to make sure. This should be going down and this should be going top, and then just align both of them, this here, this image output to this composite. Now if you see, right, in background, that's what viewer node does. When I attach, right, it comes in a background. But if you see, right, it is green color only coming here as it is not showing up, right? So what we have to do, there's a follow up option. So because it is set to 1, right, by default. So what you have to do, you have to change it to 0. Looks like key color was not selected properly. So I'll align and then click on here so that it goes off. So now if you see, right, I can see the background coming here as the video, and then what you have to do is, right, you can just maybe play around with this expectance values and those things, right? So what I'll do, I'll just try to increase this because I see these borders, right, it is having some green here. So let's just try to increase and see what is happening. I'll just increase and see what is happening. So maybe I'll change it to something 80. So once it is done, right, you have to wait so that it comes. So if you see, right, it has reduced here. So if I change it to 80, so this looks good to me. And then if you want, right, you can just play around with this cutoff. So it does that fine grained of tuning that stuff. So there are lots of option here and here as well. So for now, right, so this looks good to me. So what I'll do, I'll just go to the output section once and then make sure that this is video format, and then I'll change because this is video editing, right? So we got to know 77 end frame we need. So and I got to know, so I don't need this one, so I'll just delete this before rendering, right? To make sure to delete it sometimes, right? It renders the video editing this video only itself. So I'll just delete that, and then I'll just change to 77 here. Now everything looks good to me, so let's just save this. Add video bg. I've saved it. Now let's just render this. So if you see it, it is started rendering. Okay, so it comes in a flickering way, so don't need to worry here. So let's just wait. Once rendering is complete, right? I'll just go through the video, how it looks like, and then we'll wrap up. For now, I'll pause the video. Now, if you consider it, the frame rate is 77 here. That's what we put there. So rendering has been completed. So let's just close this. So I'll go to output section. This is the video which we got rendered, right? Let's just play it and show you how it looks like. So if you see it, we have the background got added. So this is because we have only that much 3 seconds of video, right? So if you see it, the video is getting played in a background, and then we have a kid playing in the front. So this is what currently how you can add video in a background. So this is useful when you have your video recorded, right? And then you want some video to be playing as a background. This is how you can do with using Blender video editor. There's one thing I just wanted to let you know. So there is some background noise here. So if you see it, so this is have some background. So because both the images and videos, right? If you see this has green color and this is also green color, right? So we can reduce this as well, maybe in a separate video, because it will be taking lots of time. So for now, right, this is what I wanted to show you. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.